OPPO Honor versus OPPO. Front-facing camera is going to overexpose the sky. It will when I'm out of the frame. Should compensate quickly in both of them. Okay, I'm holding with smartphones with my hand. I forget the rack, so it'll be a bit difficult, but that's okay. The question is, do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Well, we don't. In any of them. But which one is wider? OPPO, definitely a wider view, so better for vlogging. And with the wide angle lens, which one is wider? Oh, definitely Honor is wider. OPPO a bit less, but that's okay. That's okay. Check out those buildings. There's a huge difference. Do we have macro in them? Autofocus? Yes, we do. And it's awesome. In both of them. That's really cool. Main lens. Alright, is it going to handle that lamp nicely? Nah, any of them. It's quite difficult for the smartphone to focus on a round object and shiny objects, so there's no go. But that's okay. Zoom. Okay, without the rack it will be quite difficult. We can go 18x and 10x. Well, maybe even it's not that difficult. So OPPO is winning. We can go 10x in both of them. Yeah, definitely OPPO for the win.
Love me like you love JT back in 03. Up on MTV on a stage wearing shoes made of diamonds, singing songs about you like a siren. No, I won't be what you seem to need, cause I don't see what you seem to see. Ain't got troops in a crowd all united, ain't got you screaming loud and excited. I can't ever be the Backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, I'm not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your Backstreet boy.
Conclusion: OPPO has a better microphones. The sound quality is amazing. Better than that dynamic range. It's all better. Oh, and it has the dedicated shutter button, which I forgot all about it. And when you hold it, wait a minute, what the? Better. Link description for both of them. See you next video.